Japan Convention. Yay! This is a convention car. This is called the Nissan Hakosuka Skyline. One faces left, one faces right. They both open and closes with the hood. Bye-bye to these two Nissan Hakosuka Skylines. I got all these cars at the convention for free. Thank you, Hot Wheels. I got this sticker from Romeo. I won this from the downhill race. And I got the DVD and the origami. And I got the diorama. And I got the Hot Wheels sticker. Thank you for everything. Bye-bye. Showtime.